Begin by assembling the required ingredients on the kitchen counter. Measure out 250 grams of minced beef or chicken as the primary protein source. Finely chop 1 small onion to ensure even distribution of flavor. Combine 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes for seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and 1 egg to bind the mixture. Begin by selecting the minced meat, either beef or chicken, as the base for the patties. In a mixing bowl, combine the minced meat with finely chopped onion. Season the mixture with salt, black pepper, and red chili flakes to taste. Add soy sauce and ketchup to enhance the flavor profile of the patty mixture. Incorporate 1 egg into the mixture to act as a binding agent. Ensure all ingredients are thoroughly mixed to achieve a consistent patty base. Begin by taking the thoroughly mixed ingredients prepared for patty formation. Shape the mixture into round patties using your hands or a patty forming tool. Focus on creating a consistent round shape for each patty. Ensure each patty is of uniform size to promote even cooking. Maintain a consistent thickness across all patties for uniform heat distribution. Uniform patties ensure even cooking and a consistent final product. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil or butter in a pan. Set the stovetop to medium heat for optimal cooking temperature. Carefully place the patties into the preheated pan. Cook the patties for approximately 4-5 minutes on one side. Flip the patties and cook for another 4-5 minutes on the other side. Ensure the patties achieve a golden brown color and are thoroughly cooked. Lightly toast burger buns to enhance their texture and flavor. Toasting can be done in a pan with butter for added richness. Alternatively, use a toaster for a quicker, more even toasting process. Toasting imparts a desirable crispness to the bun surface. This crispness provides a pleasant contrast to the softer burger fillings. The toasting process also releases aromatic compounds, improving the overall taste. The initial step in assembling the burger involves preparing the sauce. Begin by toasting the burger buns to enhance their texture and flavor. Evenly spread mayonnaise on both halves of the toasted burger buns. Follow with an even layer of ketchup, also applied to both halves of the buns. Begin the burger assembly by placing the bottom bun on a clean surface. Layer fresh lettuce leaves evenly across the bottom bun. Add sliced tomatoes on top of the lettuce, ensuring they are well distributed. Place the cooked patty onto the tomatoes. Melt a slice of cheese over the hot patty. Top with onion rings. Cover with the top bun and serve immediately.